Hey folks, welcome back. In this video, we are going to look into some maths. I know it's scary, but here is how you can implement mathematics in JavaScript using some of the mathematical operators. So let's get started. As you can see, I have this var.js. Now I will say operator. So we will use addition operator. Note that operator works with variables. So let's try to add some. I will say var num1 is equal to 3, var num is equal to 5. This should not be changed. So I will say let const is equal to num1 plus num2. So now if I say console dot put it here, then I put it here, then I say num1. Now if I run it again, you can see that our first variable has the value 3, next variable has the value 5, that is num1 and num2, and then we add it, we get the variable. This is for our addition operator. Subtraction operator, I will take the same numbers, change this 4.log, then it says right now I say answer. I already have this answer variable, so I will not do anything more. I will say answer is equal to number. This is the issue. Just I will say minus because we are doing subtraction. Now I will select, and this is how a typical code. It will return -2. That means that JavaScript support integer subtraction. In this case, num2 was bigger and num1 was smaller, so it says 3 minus 5. Now if I change this order here, what do you think? What will happen? Let's check it out. I will do it and it says me the positive. Why? Because now we are changing the orders. Order will matter here. Multiplication operator where num1 is equal to 5, where 2 equal to 6, and I will say answer is equal to num1 star multiplication operator star asterisk whatever you say, and then num2, and then console.log answer, and let's see what this returns. It says 30. We know that multiplication is commutative, so most of the coding relies on core mathematics. Having done this, let's now do another one. Division operator, that is done by slash. Let's do it. What I'm going to do is copy. I will say 15 divided by 5, and here I will change this. Now I take this, I will run it. Clearly see that it is returning me 0.333 because we have already declared num2. We need to declare num1 and then we need to divide it by 2. And this was done purposefully to explain you that it supports decimal operations as well. And in this case, this is by what this number 15 gets divided by 3. Okay, and this is the number that divides 5 by 50. Okay, that's clear now. Let's move to our next one.